Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to each and every one of you. I would like to share some information with you this evening on a new company I started. I am Carlos Cadiz, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who know, glad to have you back with me. Now, tonight, I'm going to introduce a company that I recently started, which is probably about my 5th online company. Why do I choose to go online? Simply because with online, I can actually make money or generate income while I sleep. Okay? While I sleep. Now, I want to share something here with you guys. And you're going to see how easy it is that you can generate something as simple as cryptocurrency. Yeah, something as simple as cryptocurrency. And why is that? Because if you want to change your financial picture, if you want to improve your lives, that of your children, that of your grandchildren, okay? You want to improve the lives of the people that you care about. You may have a loved one who is in dire need of medical emergency treatments. It costs money. And if you don't have that money, you're not going to make it. Just adjust the light here so I don't glare you. Good. Everything we do requires money. How do we get that? Our jobs has proven that it cannot give us what we want. It has proven that. And time and again, we find ourselves at the end of each month having more money than money. What if you were able to make small investments? Because most of the times when we talk about investments, people get scared because they think that they have to put out hundreds of thousands of dollars. That is for who can afford to put out hundreds of thousands of dollars. But there are opportunities out there for you to start small and build your portfolio over time. And as your portfolio builds and increases, you would see that your income, your daily income is increasing. What if you were able to withdraw money every day from your investments, every week, every month? What if you were the only person in control of your investments and your money? Wouldn't that be a comfort to you? And the big what if you had an advisor that is doing all the work for you, an electronic advisor, let's call it that, which is really artificial intelligence. It's a robot. Your electronic advisor is a trading robot that has been tested and tested and tested over a period of years to ensure that it performs. And what if the same bot that you are allowed to share and use and generate income is what is being used by big multinational companies? Let's talk a little bit about Mainet. And as we go through, I will share with you what my experience has been since joining this company. And I'll be very honest with you, I've joined and signed up with Mainet. It's just about going on 2 months. Okay? Let's do this. Let's talk about the company. Now, Mainet is experiencing growth in the Forex auto trading industry, because remember I said artificial intelligence providing or reading the algorithms, placing trades for you while you're sleeping, while you're at work. So you don't have to worry what is a trend line, whether the trend is up or the trend is down, whether you're seeing support or there's too much resistance. The artificial intelligence covers all that ground for you. Mainet has created and tested this expert advisor or EA robot for more than 2 years. Right? And thanks to its positive performances, the company opened up its activities to the public in September of 2022. So what I would say to you is, the The cement is still wet in the foundation of this company. And here you have an opportunity to participate in this company's growth from the ground floor. Most times when opportunities are presented to you, they've already been 3 and 4 and 5 years in the running, and they're working fine. Here, you have an opportunity to work and grow with the company. And as we go through, you'll see the benefits, right? The structure, the head office for us in the Caribbean here is right next door, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, okay? You can check out the address, you can check the company out, you can place a phone call. Plus, they have clients in more than 40 countries. And of course, they operate in different industries with high growth. The launch office was in Bucharest, Romania, okay? And you can also check out their offices there. Now, I know most Caribbean people will say Romania. It's not Romania, it's Romania. So let's look at the man behind Mainet. This is the CEO, Ciprian Cicho. He is from Bucharest. He's a recognized entrepreneur for more than 20 years and a very passionate trader. Now, he has great understanding of these worlds, which allows him to have an analysis and a clear vision for the development of multiple businesses. So let's see. In 2017, B-Trader Academy was launched by Mr. Ciprian Cicho, opened in Romania, and he's also a professor of master finance, specialized in blockchain at the American University of Bucharest. In 2020 was the creation of a dedicated team. Mr. Cicho has set up a team of high-level computer science and mathematics engineers. Okay? High-level computer science and mathematics engineers with strong expertise in the fields of algorithm research and development. During the almost 2 years, Ciprian and his team have focused on automating his personal trading strategies and building an expert advisor that consistently performs in the financial markets. And this is what we need. For ordinary people like us who've never had experience in trading Forex, except when we go to the bank to buy the currency of the country we're going to visit, that's our major participation in the Forex market. No, the Forex market is a huge market. Mainnet had the official launch in 2022. As we said, that was done in September. So the Mainnet platform was then designed to help clients with automatic trading solutions. All right. And of course, there are other solutions related to the financial market. The Forex market, for those of you who know, and for those of you who don't know, every single day, over $6 trillion in trading volume changes hands between countries. The foreign exchange markets between New York and Sydney and London and Australia, New Zealand and China and Japan. And there's many more because you have what they call the exotics, but we won't get into that. The Forex market is a place where currencies are traded all over the world. So when you trade Forex, you buy one currency, you sell another. And currencies are always quoted in pairs. For example, Euro USD, JPY USD, XAU USD. And XAU USD, that's gold. Once you see XAU, that's gold. Euro, USD. JPY, Japanese yen. Now, the Forex market also opens 5 days a week and operates for 24 hours. And why I know, because I trade on a consistent basis, right? I've fallen so in love with this that I have learned over the last 7 years to read trend lines, where the trend is up, where the trend is down, where is support, where is resistance, where the market is going to pivot. But I learned that over a lengthy period. Here you would see where you don't require all of that time. This is almost instantaneous. So the market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You have flexible use of leverage to take advantage of relatively small price changes in currency points and the possibility of opening trading positions on short and long term. That's why people like me who are day traders and intraday traders. So let's look at the product. An expert advisor robot, okay? Mainet EA, and it's trademarked. Now, Mainet EA is the result of several years of market research, Forex trading, and robot programming. Now, this is a highly profitable EA. developed in Python and has generated profits for our clients by automatically trading 24 hours a day with multiple trades per day, trading strategies based on volume, analysis, accurate statistics, and probabilistic research. And you see, these are the things that you, the average individual, cannot do. It's going to take you years and years and years to understand technical analysis, the fundamentals, right? And technical analysis will fall under things like Trump is running for election again. That is going to determine how that dollar bounces and how other countries react to it that appear to it, right? Or the president of Germany decides that she's going to take a vacation all by herself. No security, no family, she off the grid. You know what that's going to happen to the Deutschmark? It's going to start to plummet because people are, the scares, without all of that, when she disappears, what happens to that economy? Who's running the country? So those are the things we're talking about, technical analysis and fundamentals and stuff, right? And there are sites on which you can register for free. My main site is forexfactory.com. Just go sign up and you can get all the news on all what is going on, read the files, feed your brain new information, right? Mainet EA allows you to obtain a positive return under all market conditions. So whether that market good, bad, or indifferent, the robot, the expert advisor robot, reads the algorithms to the point where it knows where the best possible places of entry and exit to ensure that we make a profit on our investment. Mainnet EA in details. So Mainnet EA was developed by a team of engineers and traders that specialize in advanced algorithms. So following Mr. Chiprian Chicho's already winning trading strategies in the market, because this is where his expertise lies, apart from many other things, all right? You can go up on YouTube, type in his name. You'll even see that he was running for president of Romania. Cool. So this robot mainly trades in gold, XAU, USD, one of the most traded pairs in the world. And if you understand gold, its value never really diminishing. That value is always going up. You're going to have the bounces and stuff, but the price of gold holds steady. And when you have artificial intelligence doing the work for you, oh, trust me, it's going to reap really, really great rewards. Now, Mainet trades on several regulated trading broker partners, from which RoboForex, Vantage FX, Kawada. Now, I know Kawada, Vantage FX, I have an account with Vantage FX, right? Well-respected brokers. Now, let's go into some more detail. Now, thanks to tools like MyFX Book, right? What you can see is a live history of this algorithm. And this is since June of 2022. So they've been testing it before launching, all right? You can see the gains, all right? You can see how they grow. You can see how they grow daily, monthly. You can look at the drawdowns, right? You can look at the balances in their equity, okay? Everything here, track record verified, trading privileges are verified, all right? You can also track the details from different trades taken by the robot. Now, for us who are invested in a Mainet, most of our profits are going to come from the trade between gold and USD. So gold versus USD, right? However, Mainet also trades in other commodities and indices. So here you can get, when you go to myfx.com, because once you sign up with Mainet or you buy a package, you now have access to everything that is in there. So you can track just from your phone what was the profit on your money that was traded for you while you were asleep. You get up 2 in the morning to go in the bathroom. You can pull up your phone and see how much money you made by the time you went to bed at 8 or 9, between that time and now you just went to the bathroom at 2 a.m. Everything is transparent. Now, how does this work? Here's what customers have access to. Your service, you purchase a license. Now, how sweet is this? Check it out. I can pull up my MetaTrader 5 I have my Vantage broker, all of that registered. My account is live, and I can sit here and I can watch the bar jump up and down with those candles. I can look to see where the trend is going. I can use all the tools and draw lines and look at what the pattern it is, whether it's a bat, a cipher, whether it's a crab, and then I will make an entry. But for you, the customer, you may not have that time. First off, you have your regular 8 to 4. And your 8 to 4 starts at 4:30 a.m. So you don't have time to sit and trade like me. This is what I do for a living. Like I said, this is my 5th online company, all right, or franchise. I have my screens all over. I can do that. So for you, what Mainet offers is that you, as a customer, can just simply purchase a license and go to bed. Go your way. And it starts as low as $25 US, all the way up to $50,000 US. And then what happens is you receive a redistribution of the company's profits. Why? Because this license is valid for 12 months. At the end of 12 months, you would have your profits assigned. Per day, up to 0.75%. Per week, up to 3.75%. Okay, per month, up to 15%. Per year, up to 400%. Now, understand something. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. I can tell you how to pay. No. I saw this opportunity to enhance my investments because I have investments in crypto and other companies and all that. Because what I'm trying to do is generate wealth so that when I leave this plane, which could be at any time, because we don't have a moratorium on that, my family doesn't have to be scrambling for money, not even to bury. Listen to me carefully, not even to bury, because the beauty of Mainet is you can draw your money at any point in time. So let's use a little hypothetical situation. So you started today with 500 US. 3 years later, you have about 15, 20,000 US in your account. That's just profit. You were prudent enough to watch it grow, let it compound. Oh, you're going to see that as we continue. Let it compound. And suddenly, there's an emergency in your family. Now, this is why my new motto for the last 2 years has been cash rich, asset poor. Because if you have a sudden family emergency, you cannot pick up a house and sell it, pick up a car and sell it, pick up assets and quickly sell it to pay for that surgery, emergency surgery. But when you are cash rich, you can simply write a check, swipe a card, and it's coming down to pretty soon most hospitals, all you need is this phone, swipe your wallet, and you just paid 3,000 US to save the child's life, the loved one's life. Think about it. So you have the opportunity to purchase a license from as low as $25 US, upwards of 50,000 US, and you have the opportunity to have it generate profits for you, right? Deposits and withdrawals are in USDT, TRC20, and that's a minimum of 10 that you can buy. Now, the deposit fees are $2 and a $10 license purchase fee. So on every transaction, you buy a $25 license, it's going to cost you $37. You add the 12 to it, 50, 62, 100, 112, etc., etc. And those fees are nothing compared to the profits that you'll be generating. How does it work? So let's let your capital grow thanks to the cumulative effort. Now, let's take a $1,000 license with 50% monthly earnings. Okay? Now, here's what you can do. If you start the first month with $150, you can leave it. It's $300. Third month, $450. Fourth month, $600. Now, this is what without effect. Why without effect? Is because you are making withdrawals every week. Every week you decide, all right, 3 months, I have 450 there. I'll take out that 200 here. All right, you put that in your TT account because you know the exchange rate. So boom, you put it in the EC account, you know the exchange rate. So right now your account fattening. Now, this top line here is without using the compounding effect. Okay, so if you were to withdraw, let's say once a month for the 12-month period, okay, what's happening is you will still achieve 180% profit. And that's just plain hustler. I want to make this clear. The people I'm introducing this to, just like my Facebook ad says, I'm looking for real network marketers. I'm looking for the negative stompers. I'm looking for the go-getters. I'm looking for the movers, the shakers, and the money makers. No riffraff, please. We want to generate wealth for our families. So let's go to WIT effect. You are leaving your money to compound and compound. You're not withdrawing any, and compound and compound and compound and compound. And this is you at the end of 12 months. Now you can withdraw. And here's how, and I will share with you how I'm doing this. I am building up these licenses to the point where I would withdraw only $1,000 per month and just let the rest of the money roll over. That $1,000 US per month is simply call it my salary. That's my personal salary. I take that $1,000 US a month and I add that to what I'm paying myself from the other companies I have doing similar things and paying me automatically and that kind of thing. So for me, my personal income should be around 12 to 15,000 US per month. And I can live comfortably with that because like my team knows, I like to pay bills 6 months in advance. I don't want bills, I want credit notes. I don't want anybody calling me, all right? So when you use the effect, you're actually generating up to 400% on your license, okay? 365 days would give you, starting at 150, $4,000 for the compounding effect. The banks is not doing that. There is, listen to me, you have no system in place now that can effectively do this for you. The salary, definitely not, because you can't draw down on your salary every day. Your salary is on auto order. Like when I buy in products, it's on auto ship, so I don't worry. Every month I know it come in. So you don't have to worry. Every month you know your salary come in. But here what's happening, for the 30 days before it gets to you, you have a whole set of labor to put out. So you start at 4:30 in the morning, get yourself ready, get your wife ready, get the kids ready, pile all in the car. And I had the experience of seeing single mothers at 5 and 6 in the morning with 2 and 3 children on the priority bus route trying to hustle to a job and get these children off to school. While even this morning, because every morning now I'm sat back a 2-mile walk, I'm looking at people in traffic. If you see the traffic, and these people are trying to get to work for 8 o'clock. I'm taking my walk at 8:45. These people trying to get to work at 8 o'clock. My street takes 45 minutes to drive out of because they're coming from everywhere trying to beat traffic. Is that what you really want? When you can simply buy a license for $25, test it. I'll tell you now, if you buy a license for $25, today you activate your bot on Sunday before 5 o'clock. By next Friday, you can draw out your profits. But that $25 will give you 25 cents. So like I say, I'm not looking for hustlers, I'm not looking for riffraff. I'm looking for those who seriously want to generate income to the point of wealth. Because when your child's school calls for something, when you have a personal need, when your bank loan needs to be paid because it's 2 months in arrears, and that's the car from the showroom, or your mortgage starts to teeter and totter because you're trying to keep up with everyday living, your salary isn't increasing, cost of living is increasing, inflation is going to hell through the roof, but your income stays horizontal, you have a problem. When are you going to wake up? It's 2023. Remember my statement last year. Anybody who found themselves in the same financial position at the end of 2022 deserved it because they put themselves in that position. So what are you going to do for the next 12 months? Are you going to sit on your gluteus maximus, make all the excuses, call all these things pyramid schemes and Ponzi schemes and go with all this stupid rhetoric while you stay broke? So now you understand why I say I'm looking for movers and shakers and negative stompers, money makers, no riffraff. Serious investing in gold and cryptocurrency and Forex is no joke, it's no game. It's neither for the faint of heart, but it is an opportunity for you to generate income to the point of wealth. And Mainet has made that very easy for you. Very, very easy. So what we can say? Get started today. This is Mainet. This is me, Carlos Goodies. I'm going to share one more thing with you, so you will understand exactly how powerful this is. So I'm going to go into my Mainet account, because I opened this account and I am actually, okay, come here. I'm letting the site do the work, and I'm buying the licenses accordingly. When I started this site, it was with $25. I needed to test it before I presented. Okay, $25. Now, every day, I'm buying USDT, and I'm buying licenses. So this is my back office. This is my dashboard, all right? We also have, this is for the network marketing element. This is where I am personally looking and recruiting people. But my customers, you don't need to pay attention to this. You simply need to do this. Purchase a license. So I started at 25, now it's up to 175. So this week here, right, what I'm going to do, oh, that's in there? Okay, I gotta check that, right? We have a Telegram group, okay? This is the rate for the day. This is the total percentage profit, right? And every Sunday until 11 p.m., I can activate my trading bot. So on a Sunday at 5 p.m., because I know the market is going to be opening, guys, the first market to open is Sydney. I activate this bot and it goes to work. And I go about my business, because Sunday here is the divisional round. Sunday here, I'm an NFL junkie. Whoever wins here is the two teams of Super Bowl next month. So I activate this bot and I'm going to be watching football. And everything is here for your licenses, expiry date, how it's going to work, blah, 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 blah. And we also have in here the teaching tools. People, this is just too easy, all right? And in 2023, if you don't have Zoom on your phone, you fail. This is how the world connects. If you don't have a platform where you can connect, meet with people, do business and discuss strategies, you fail, and you will continue to fail. This is carnival season here. People are going to be spending upwards of $15,000 on a mask or shoe. And the average individual is going to spend at least $1,200 just drinking and lining. And after carnival season, they're going to be scrambling for money to put gas. No time for that crap. Been there, done that. This is how you make deposits. You can check your deposit history. So let's check my deposit history, because okay, there it is. 37. This deposit is confirmed. Cool. So here's what I'll do. I will go here with that 37. Click purchase. So I'll do this live for you. I'll purchase a $25 license. I click confirm. Bang. You can see it's working here. Okay. You see, when you can simply make investments with just a click, that's what you need. When you don't have to worry about whether the market is going up, down, across, you don't have to worry. All right? Okay. See? Because the money is in my account, which is the USDT tokens. Those coins in my account, right? USDT Tether. The license, I just click on what I want and automatically purchase it. So if I scroll down here, bang. Now I'm up to 200, all right? And I'm gonna set that off. So what I'm doing now is I am satisfied having used this. I have been tippy-toeing, I have been doing so much research on it that even though I had it for the 2 months, let me just make sure. I made sure I did my homework. So when I presented, like we do everything else, that's what my leader taught me. Mr. Anderson Chester, good night, wherever you are. I did the homework. Now I'm satisfied. So now I'm going to be diverting US from my other accounts. I'm going to be filling this bad boy up. I'm going to fill my active licenses up to 5,000 US. and let that go to work. Same as I did. I have other investments of about 20,000 units. Now I say I had to scrape money off and I'm going to pump it here. Because this here, again, it's working for me while I sleep. Okay? This, as a customer, this is what you want. You simply want to buy a license and move on, wherever you feel comfortable with. For example, want to see something funny? Let's say I want to buy a $50,000 license. Check this out. I know I don't have that money in my account, right? It says confirm, right? Watch this. See how fast it came back? You cannot buy this amount using your wallet. So I'll simply go to my cryptocurrency wallet here, where I have, all right, I'm staking coins, right? I'll do this. I would go instant buy. And check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. I can then turn around and say, okay, you know what? I need some USDT because I want to buy licenses. Let's see how much USDT I want. Come down, look at my USDT. No, I own. See, USDT. All right. This is the price for $200, $500, $1,000. All right. So if I wanted 3,000 USDT, this is how much I would get fit. I click buy, my credit card, everything is already because my wallet is safe, locked. This cex.io. This is a centralized exchange and makes your life very easy when it comes to doing your business here. Ladies and gentlemen, listen, I want to say thank you so very much. You know, in terms of you being here and sharing this time with me and learning about Mainet, because I believe that this opportunity will revolutionize your income. It will revolutionize your way of life. Because when you are financially comfortable, there's no stress. There's no anxiety. There's no heartburn. There are no migraine headaches. When you can comfortably pay WASA, TNTech, and for those on Facebook that may not be savvy with our local utilities, telephone bill, light bill, water rates, food bill, school needs, gas needs, mortgage, rent, and I could go on and on and on, right? Because you have those bills. Mainet offers you the opportunity to live in financial freedom. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for being here. I look forward to us, getting together again. This was the first of many to come, because on the 2nd of February, which is a Thursday, I'm going to be resuming training on Network University, DTI Network University, TNT. Well, actually, I dropped the TNT because it's Digital Technology International Network University, since we have teams all over the world. Because like I say, it's 5 online businesses. So in that structure, I have everything from health and wellness, cryptocurrencies, Forex, virtual reality. Wealth generation is serious business. So mark it on your calendar, 2nd of February, 8 p.m. I'm going to be here. And I don't want to let out the bag, but the first class is going to be bang on. And from there, we're going to keep going. I'm going to teach you everything you know free. It's not going to cost you anything other than your time to log on. I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of Forex, how to take advantage of cryptocurrency, how to build wealth. Most importantly, how to build your mindset. Because if you don't have the mindset for wealth, it makes no sense you make this money, you're going to lose it. We're going to teach you how to keep it. So with that said, have a great Mainnet weekend, everyone. See you.